Thousands of people from both the hill and valley regions of Manipur took part in a massive rally in Imphal today, organized by 14 CSOs of Kanglei Park, demanding updation of National Registrar of Citizens (NRC) before the census exercise is carried out in the state. A people's convention held after the rally adopted 6 key resolutions. The rally, with participants carrying banners and placards and raising slogans in support of NRC updation, began from Tidim Ground and concluded at Thau Ground, Thangwiban, where a people's convention was held. Speaking to the media, 14 CSOs Kanglei Park convener Shanta Nahapam said Manipur faces unique challenges arising from illegal immigration and demographic changes different from those being witnessed in states like West Bengal and Assam. He stressed that updating the NRC is essential to safeguard the rights and future of indigenous people of the state. Following the rally, a people's convention attended by community leaders and prominent citizens deliberated on the current socio-political situation in Manipur and unanimously adopted 6 resolutions. The convention urged the state and central governments to immediately update the NRC 1951 before conducting Census 2027 exercise in Manipur. It also called for NRC updation under a tripartite framework involving civil society organizations, state government and central government. The convention further appeals to Chief Minister Yumnam Khemchand to take the initiative in opening dialogue with stakeholders and center on the issue. It also demanded inclusion of a nominee or agency of Government of Manipur in the high-level committee on demographic changes. Another resolution stated that public opinion should be consulted before taking any resolutions made by the 14 CSOs of Kanglei Park in relation to the present issue. The convention also resolved to submit the proceedings and resolutions to the Chief Minister, Home Minister Govindas Konthogjam and other concerned authorities within 2 days for immediate action.